Hello everyone, I'm Grace Lakoa and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, then welcome to the family. You are at the right place. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, like this video and check out our channel for other videos. I'm telling you, you will love it. You will not regret it. Today, we'll be talking about something interesting, how to get your first million. Have you ever dreamt of your first million? Have you ever dreamt of a life of abundance? Today, we'll be diving into it. Stay tuned. So, whether you're just starting out or you've been on this financial journey towards your first million, towards the life of abundance, I'll have to tell you, it takes discipline. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes discipline, it takes hard work, it takes financial wisdom. And that's why you're at the right place. So first things first, you need to have a skill, not just any skill, a high income skill. A high income skill that makes you stand out. Skills like coding, skills like digital marketing, public speaking, graphic designing, you can name it. Now, you cannot give what you don't have. Let's put it this way. You want to have your first million. You want to have a life of abundance. You want money coming in, right? You cannot bring in what you don't give out. If you don't give out the value that costs or that's worth that million or that abundance you are expecting or dreaming of, you can't get it. So you have to bring out and give out value in exchange for what you want in return. In this case, money, right? And so you can also give out what you don't have. You see, it's like a circle. You have to invest in yourself. And what you have, you give it out. And what you give out comes back to you as money. You see, so if you have a skill or you don't have a skill that isn't perfected or you don't have a skill at all, you're wasting your time. So you have to choose a skill that's in high demand, a skill that makes you stand out. And then don't be mediocre. Don't be you should be excellent. You should strive to demarcate yourself from the rest. If you want to have a result that others don't have, you should be willing to do what others do not do. You should be willing to put in the extra effort. You should be willing to give and deliver more excellence than anyone else can. And for you to be able to do that, it means you have to invest in yourself. You have to make yourself better than those people in the other field. Because how many graphic designers are there? Like watching this video right now, hundreds of people are going to watch this video. And hundreds of them are going to say, okay, I'm going to get a skill. I'm going to become a graphic designer. Okay, you are all becoming graphic designers. What will make a client choose you instead of the other person that just watched this video? You see, so having a skill is not just enough. Choose a high income skill and invest in yourself and make sure you're the best at what you do. Secondly, I would like to talk to you about death. I know there's such a thing as good death. What I'm referring to is lifestyle debt. So not really spending, involving yourself in buying things on credit. Don't do that. It's a finance killer. It will choke your finances. So it's so frustrating. Like when you buy something on credit and you receive money, then the first thing you have to do is pay off your debt and you are left with nothing again. The feeling is horrible. Stop it. When you get your money, plan wisely, save, budget, and live according. It's discipline. I told you, if you want to make it in this financial journey of yours, discipline is a fundamental part of it. You discipline yourself to live by your means, live by the budgets that you've put for yourself. I'm going to spend this amount on this, and this, and you stick to it. And even after all of this, wisdom will ask that make sure that there is still change left. Don't finish your money. Never find yourself in a situation where you have zero in your account or you are in minus. That is even worse. Don't do that. Don't do that. And so I spoke about buying things that are important to you. At this point that you are, there is time for everything. The Bible says there's a time for the sun to rise and the sun to go down. There's a time to buy a car and there's a time not to buy a car. There's a time to buy fancy dresses and there's a time not to buy a fancy dress. Of course, dress well. Please, if you're going to increase in your finances, you have to dress the way you want to be addressed. Yes, dress well. Not expensive, um dress well. Like I said, not expensive. So budget, I need this, I'm going to spend this amount and it must remain this. It's important. And to round it up and remind you again, no matter what I tell you, no matter whatever you do, you can never receive what you don't give. You can never get from money the value that you're not putting out. So the basics, the foundation of all of this is you. What is the content of your personality? What are you worth in terms of skill, or that can be changed, that can be converted into money, into currency? Invest in yourself, learn more like you're doing right now. You can go on different platforms, Udemy, Coursera. There are several platforms where you can go and learn. Allison, several of them. You go, and even if, see, of course, you can go to some websites that are free. But at the point, I want to tell you something. Go for courses or platforms that actually require you to pay, not necessarily $100. There are courses of probably $5, just all this no little stuff. Pay it. It's also financial wisdom, because see, it's a study. When human beings get things for free, you don't take it, you take it for granted. It's true. There is something about bringing out the money, paying for that course. You see, it shows that you are growing. And let's be honest with ourselves, there are certain things that you never get for free. So, of course, you can start out with the free courses. With time, grow, invest, spend money. Take your money and invest in courses. $5, $10, $20, $50, $100, $1,000. Keep investing. It's a lifelong, even when you've gotten your millions and you are a millionaire, billionaire, keep investing in yourself. There was this interview with Elon Musk, and he was asked a question. He said he is the world's richest man at the moment, but he said he still reads books, he still learns. It never stops, because you are your most valuable asset. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. I love you so much. Make sure you share, make sure you like this video, because when you do, a lot more people have the opportunity to hear what you are hearing. And guess what? The world will become a better place. So help others as I'm helping you, and help me as well. I love you. Share the love.